Mastering English phrases, cooking a feast, unwrapped. Hello and welcome to today's learning journey. In this video, we're going to unwrap the meaning and use of the phrase, cooking a feast. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone just starting out, understanding these everyday expressions can truly spice up your English skills. So, let's get cooking. When you hear cooking a feast, it's not just about preparing a simple meal. A feast refers to a large and lavish meal, often prepared for a number of people, and usually associated with a celebration or a special occasion. So, when someone says they're cooking a feast, they are usually planning or preparing a big, elaborate meal meant to be shared and enjoyed with others. Cooking a feast isn't just about the food. It's a phrase that resonates with warmth, generosity, and celebration. Across different cultures, feasts play a significant role in bringing people together. Whether it's Thanksgiving in the United States, a wedding banquet in India, or a traditional feast during the Lunar New Year, these events are about community, family, and celebrating life's milestones. Understanding this phrase means you're not just learning language, you're also getting a taste of the cultural richness behind it. Now, let's see how to incorporate cooking a feast into your conversations. 1. My grandmother loves cooking a feast every Christmas. Her house becomes a warm gathering place for the entire family. 2. Are you cooking a feast for the party next weekend? I heard your culinary skills are the talk of the town. 3. After getting his promotion, Alex is cooking a feast to celebrate his success with friends and colleagues. Notice how the phrase can be adapted to various contexts, always hinting at joy, abundance, and shared experiences. And that wraps up our delicious exploration of the phrase, cooking a feast. Remember, language learning is not just about words and grammar. It's about the flavors, the cultures, and the human connections that those words bring to life. We hope this video has added a bit of that flavor to your English learning journey. Keep practicing, stay curious, and of course, enjoy your language feast. See you in the next video.